Hi, hello, this is Eva and Jackie, and then we're from Amazing Salad, and then today we're going to do a avocado spinach smoothie. First of all, we put our orange juice into the blender. Oh, and then avocado. And some turmeric, which is so healthy. And the ham heart seeds, my favorite. Oh, and then the frozen apples and banana. Of course, we cannot forget spinach, right? And then we are going to blend it. See, it's done. Easy, eh? So we can see what's the ingredients if we use orange juice or if you change the base to coconut water. So let's try whatever you like. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.